Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, download this app from Play Store. Then open it, tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected and low battery. Then select sound source.
Disconnected.
Now name your function and give it description. If it's done, tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.